Alright guys, hope you're all well. So today I'm going to try something a little bit different. I've never attempted it before, and that is a herringbone panel. So we're going to try and do it. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to set out all the herringbone. And the herringbone is just simply bricks which are angled, and there's not much information about it on YouTube, so I thought I'd have a go at doing a panel. First time I've ever done it myself. I think I've done it once before when I was an apprentice, so we're going to give it a first attempt and let's see how I can do. So it's called herringbone because it looks like a herringbone when it's done, and it's a nice feature actually. It's really nice. So we're going to try more features like this, like basket weave herringbone and different brick bonds and stuff. Try and get through it all, but this is going to be the first part of the video. Hopefully it's not going to be too long. I'm just going to set it out and see what I can do. Alright guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do, and check the bell icon so you get notifications every time I put a video on. Alright guys, without further ado, let's get stuck into it.
Well, you left me in the morning sun. Oh baby, oh, I'll be back before the sun goes down. Oh yeah. So I waited throughout the day for the night to come around. Come around, come around, come around. Oh, the rain will beat the sun, 'cause your heart is on the run. The rain will fall till we fall in love again. Oh.
So I found with anything like this guys is you're always better just setting it out dry, you know, so you know what you're working with. What I'm going to do, I'm going to set it all out roughly, mark what I'm going to cut on the edges, then you've got the panel already made up, you see. So it's just a case of setting it out, getting it set right, and then all you have to do is build it really. I mean, you can of course build it as you're going along. It would save time, and probably most people would do that, but I'm different, Anna. So I just thought to get it right, set it out first, and yeah, so I know it's already perfect and I know what I'm working with. So that's a quick tip for you anyway. Anything you're doing, you're always better setting, even if you're just building a wall as well, just set your bricks out first so you know where you're going. You can just estimate it dry, and then you know where you're going before you start with your cement. So that's an handy tip for you.
When your heart